Hi everyone, I am Sarah, Leicht Realtor here in Sarasota, and today I'm going to take you to a place that we went to. We try to eat as natural, clean, and healthy as possible, which is why we came to check this place out. And today we drove up to Hillsborough County and we are taking a visit to a little place called A Land of Delight. And this farm has avocados, papayas, coffee, merengue, really any type of fruit or citrus tree you could want. They pretty much have it, or if they don't have it, they know where to get it. This is one of the many greenhouses where they have some of these smaller plants. They have many larger plants outside. They have really nice signs that are very descriptive. Sorry, I can't flip it around for you, on what the fruit is, what it tastes like. Nice little descriptions of each plant. They do also offer aquaponics, which I didn't think I liked, but after sitting through the class and actually understanding the process and the system that they have designed, it definitely makes it a cleaner, less hassle-free, self-sufficient, for the most part, feeding fish and cleaning a tank out once a day. Very easy process, by the way, even though it sounds horrible. It's really very entertaining and interesting. Definitely something I'm going to be looking at in the future for feeding my family. If you look up here, they have pots and everything is priced based off the pot size. Doesn't matter the variety, doesn't matter the type, based off pot size, which makes shopping really easy. And today's the 1st of 2022 and they did a sale, which was always nice. But as you see behind me, they have large mangoes out there. Passion fruit, loquats are amazing. That's these guys right here. They get little orange seed, or little orange fruit with 3 little brown seeds inside, kind of like a plum nectarine together. Grapes, purple star, like literally if you want something, they're gonna have it. So I definitely recommend checking them out. They are in Plant City, Hillsborough County, Florida. I will link their site below. They also have a great Facebook page. Awesome place. Definitely worth checking it out.